let's take a look at how to manage the access in your Google Ads account so that you can prevent your account from getting suspended or having any issues where people steal your account and things like that. Because if you do this wrong, it can cause some issues. So first things first, if we go over here to admin and then access and security from this middle menu here, you're going to see a page that looks something like this. It'll list out each user in the account where you can remove their access at any point if need be. But from there, you can also click this blue plus sign to add a user. You will then add in their company email. Usually it's a company email. Sometimes it would be like a Gmail account. But the thing to note is that user access is specifically designed for people within your company or organization. And the reason being is because whatever email gets associated here, if it's also being associated with other accounts where nefarious stuff is happening, it can actually be an indicator to Google that person's trying to circumvent systems and policies and stuff, and so it can get your account suspended as well. I've seen that happen in the past. So only add a user here if it's typically from somebody within your organization or at least somebody that you trust that's running Google Ads the right way and not doing some crazy stuff that's going to get your account suspended. Then once you've added in their email address, you can choose what user role you want to give them. It will show you here what access you're giving. Just be careful with admin access because those people can remove users from your account. So technically they could remove you from the account. But once you've added in the email, chose the appropriate access level, you can click send invitation. One thing to note is after you click send invitation, if it gives you an error message, then you'll have to come over here to security, which I have open here, and add the allowed domains so that, as you can see, we've got our domain here, MissoulaSEOgeek.com. So anyone from our agency that has an email that ends with this, so like John Doe at MissoulaSEOgeek.com, could be added in here. And that's usually what we see is if you're trying to add a user and it's giving you some red error message down below after you click send invite, it's likely because you haven't set the security preferences to allow that domain to be added in there. Now, if you're wanting to add somebody from outside of your organization, for instance, an agency like ours, we use manager access, which you can find right here. When you click on that, you'll notice there's nothing you can do from within your account. Basically, an agency like ours would request your Google Ads ID number. We'll show you where to find that and everything. And then we would put it in on our end in our agency account. That then sends an invitation here, and under actions, you just click a little blue accept icon, and then that gives an agency from somebody from outside your organization access to your account. Nice thing though is that it does not give them the ability to edit or remove anyone from the account. It can a manager can add somebody as a standard user, but they can't do anything with these really sensitive things like billing, removing you as a user, for instance. So this is specifically designed and set up for managing access to people who are outside your organization that you don't really have a lot of say over what they do, right? So anyways, I hope you found this helpful. It's a bit of a deep dive into the Google Ads account access here, but if there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies and different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here, and really just see that this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.